A very pleasant morning to all of you. Students, yesterday I explained half part of chapter 2, Goa, a tourist paradise. Today, before continuing the remaining part, let's have a recapitulation. In the previous lecture, you have come to know that Sharad, Anandi and their parents went to Goa for the very first time on a vacation. There, they were enjoying the beautiful beaches and traditional food of Goa. Also, they got familiar about which languages are spoken by the people of Goa, literacy rate of Goa, its capital, and many more things. Now, let's start the reading of remaining chapter. Sharad and Anandi looked confused, but how can we learn it in 2 days? Yesterday, we read that Sharad and Anandi's mother told them that they could learn speaking Konkani in Goa. At this, both the children were confused. They asked their mother, how could they learn Konkani in just 2 days? Kalyani said, it was not serious. I know it is impossible in 2 days. Then she replied that she also knew it. She was just joking. And it is not possible to learn any new language just in 2 days. Now go off to sleep. We have to visit many places tomorrow. Then she told the children to go to sleep because the next day they had to visit many places. Next, the family hired a cab and visited the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Old Goa. Next day, the family took a taxi. That means they hired means took on a rent. They took a taxi and visited the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Old Goa. Sharad said to the father, why do so many people come here? Sharad asked his father that why so many people visited this particular place. Manohar patiently answered. Manohar, their father, patiently means without becoming annoyed. He answered, well, it holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, regarded as the patron saint of Goa. He replied that there was a patron saint of Goa. Patron means guiding, the most important. There was a guiding saint whose name was Saint Francis Xavier. When he was dead, his dead body was lying there in this place. Which place? Saint Xavier. Which place? Bom Jesus in Old Goa. Saint Xavier's dead body was lying in Bom Jesus in Old Goa. So that's why so many people used to visit that place and wanted to see this place where the dead body of their patron saint was lying. They lit candles and also visited the church of Saint Francis of Assisi. There they lit the candles and after that they visited the church of Saint Francis of Assisi. By afternoon they reached the Kalangate beach. Then they visited the Kalangate beach. They took a dip in the sea and the children splashed water on each other. There they took a dip in the sea and children splashed means threw. They were throwing water on each other and they were enjoying very much. Later they had some fried fish and sana from a shack. Sana means a dry rice cake and shack means a small shop. There they took some fried fish and a dry rice cake from a small shop. They also visited the Candolim beach. Then they went to visit Candolim beach. They were amazed to see tourists enjoying water sports like water surfing, water skiing and scuba diving at the Cinquarium beach. Then they were surprised, they were very happy to see that some people were enjoying the water sports. Which water sports people were enjoying? They were enjoying water surfing. Here you can see the picture of water surfing. This boy is doing water surfing on the waves. Water skiing. Water skiing means skiing on water while being towed by a motorboat. And scuba diving. Here you can see the picture of scuba diving. When you go deep under the water with some equipments of oxygen, then this sport is known as scuba diving. Manohar and Kalyani enjoyed parasailing. Parasailing means gliding through the air wearing an open parachute. Here you can see the picture of parasailing. Their parents were doing parasailing with the help of a parachute. Sharat and Anandi clapped when their parents were lifted up in the air. Sharat and Anandi, they were very excited to see, and they clapped when they saw that their parents were flying high in the air with the help of a parachute. When they landed means came down. When their parents came down on the earth, the children went on water scooters. Water scooters are just like motorboats, and they were resembling means they looked like a motor scooter. But the difference of motor scooter is that they ride on they swim on the water. So that's why they are known as water scooter. It was like riding motorbikes on the sea. They were very happy. Who were very happy? Sharat and Anandi were very happy by riding the motorbikes on the sea. On their way back to hotel, when they were going back to their hotel, they saw groups of youngsters. Youngsters means young people. They found some young people playing football on the beaches and in open grounds. Manohar said, football is a popular sport in Goa. Then their father told them that football is a famous sport in Goa. That means so many people in Goa like to play football. The main football stadium is the Nehru Stadium in Margao. Margao we have read earlier. Margao is an important city of Goa, and Nehru Stadium is situated in Margao, and it is a football stadium. Many cricket matches are also played there. Many cricket matches are also played in this stadium. I also like to play football and cricket, chirped Sharat. Chirped means spoke in a loud voice with excitement. Sharat told in excitement that he also liked to play football and cricket. They also visited Fort Aguada before returning to their hotel. Before returning to their hotel, they visited one more place. That place name was Fort Aguada. They bought keychains and decoration pieces made of seashells as souvenirs. Souvenirs means symbol of memory. There they bought keychains, decoration pieces which were made up of seashells. At night, the bags were packed before they went to bed, because the next day they had to leave from Goa. So at night they packed their bags. Kalyani said good night. Tomorrow we will be back home. So their mother wished them good night and told them that they would go back home tomorrow. Everyone smiled and said yes. Manohar said, Goans are cheerful and friendly people. Manohar, their father, told them that Goans are people of Goa. Cheerful means happy. Goans, that means people of Goa are happy and friendly people. We came to know a lot about the people and culture of Goa. We should respect all this. I love this place. So here our chapter 2 comes to an end. Hope you also have come to know so many things related to Goa. Now you should also take reading a full chapter for better understanding. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.